Okay, so here we are at the Barceloneta, which is the beach in Barcelona, of course. There's the beautiful Mediterranean, and there's the famous W Hotel in Barcelona that is supposed to look like a sail jutting out into the water.
Designed by the same architect that designed the El Burj in Dubai. Little known fact.
This reminds me a lot of Santa Monica.
It's for a masculine man to be comfortable walking with a Louis bag in Barcelona.
There's my husband guarding my Louis bag with his life.
That's not making it into anything.
Huh?
That's not making it into anything. Put that ring on fire.
I was just thinking that.
Hello, I'm Chuck. No coffee.
Subway. Eat fresh in Barcelona. Gosh, you can see how gothic this is becoming, you know?
Yeah. And
I mean,
the
this almost
streets will start to just like undulate. They won't. They say that it's easy to get lost in the Gothic quarter because the best way to get your bearings is to look up.
And strangely, there are parts of Barcelona that remind me very much of New Orleans, with the balconies and architecture, which I know doesn't make any sense because New Orleans was predominantly settled by the French and we're in Spain, but there's still elements of it that are reminiscent of New Orleans. And of course, New Orleans is a very European-looking city anyways. Americanism everywhere.
Hi. How are you? Good? Bonjour.
You'll be on my video. So now here we are, definitely entering into the heart of the Gothic district. And this is the oldest part of Barcelona, with many of the buildings that And I don't know if you can hear it, but the street entertainment is playing Fragile by Sting. Oh, there's the church bells. This man right here is trying to pick up these two women, and it didn't work. See, this is the kind of travel vlog you're going to get from me.
He's gonna take a look.
This is the real travel vlog. What goes on in Barcelona. Barcelona, otherwise known as Barcelona. Again?
Hola, bienvenido a Barcelona.
And this is just like a neighborhood plaza where everybody hangs out on a Friday and Saturday afternoon. Lots of young people. There's shops and little bars and bodegas around. And everybody just gets a little something from the bodega or from the bar and then comes out to this park and sits down and hangs out. It looks like they're getting ready to set up some live music too. Super fun. It's 8 o'clock on a Friday night. Yes, there's some interesting city smells for sure. I'm glad that we're not going to be eating outside at this particular part of the city.
Mi amor, como pueda servir uno, puede levantarlo. Servir uno. Alors là, il y a Nina demain.
Thank you.
De nada.